Good morning, guys. I'm harvesting potatoes. These are actually planted from the skin of the tomatoes. I mean, the tomatoes, I'm sorry. Skin of the potatoes. They're not that big, but you know, I grow them and they're going from the skin of the potatoes. So that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm harvesting potatoes. If they're small, I'm gonna replant them. Some of them are really small. So if you look, that's the skin of the potato is actually growing. Potato right there. Like I said, some of them are real small, but the ones that are real small, I'm gonna replant them.